This is Henry. Henry lives in a smart home environment based on ambient assisted living applications that are supplied on top of the open platform universAAL. Sarah, who is a service provider, stocks this environment with various services. These, in turn, are operating within applications whose hard and software elements are supplied by the technology provider, Tom. Typically, application systems are deployed in one home where they have been installed. But what if the system would be so easily installable that it could be just as easy deployed on many homes? What if a great resource optimization would allow connecting the system even cross-national? Scalability offers the solution. Thanks to Scalability, the system is mass deployed and the number of users increases. For technology providers like Tom, a platform that helps optimize mass deployment will be an advantage. For service providers like Sarah, scaling implies that the more users she serves, the higher is her income. In turn, end users like Henry save a lot of costs because the more people are using the system, the cheaper it gets to run it. Quick and simple installation, increasement of users, and reduction of costs facilitates the management of AAL systems tremendously. How does scalability look like in reality? The stress test project REAL shows real-life usage within 13 pilots in 8 European countries. In Denmark, the value of scalability is demonstrated at the nursing home Korslokehaven in the city of Odense. The citizen Laurits Jensson wears a pedometer sensor to collect data about the number of his steps. The data from the sensor is collected by a Raspberry Pi computer and sent to an URL server. On the screen in his apartment, Laurits gains insight of how many steps he has walked and can change the number of daily steps he sets as goal. In case the nursing home has multiple operations, there are also multiple devices needed to collect data from the pedometer sensors. The great advantage? Multiple Raspberry Pis are adaptable throughout the whole nursing home without any complex or expensive installation. All that is needed is electricity and a network connection. To scale up the system, further pedometers can simply be connected. They don't interfere with each other. We have made the URL setup by using a central server. The advantage in using one central server was that we only had one instance to install and update. It also makes it possible for us to use more devices without having to make new installations and maintenance of them. It is scaled very good in practice.